This is John of R taking you to a short trip. Oh, there's the cashew fruit. Just fell. Let's look at it. So this cashew fruit just fell from the tree. Oh, so sorry. It's meaty. And there's the fruit. That's the cashew fruit. Very juicy. Maybe I can try one. Yay, so there's your cashew fruit. It's yellow with the seeds outside, turned outside. It's exciting. So this is the cashew house and this is a restaurant. Let's get inside. Yay, we're ordering with Doc Junjun and Judge Grace. We're ordering kare-kare, and the peanut sauce is actually not made of peanut, but kasoy nuts.
Wala kayo i-add mo.
Wala na, we're good. This is Joan of Art here at the Cashew House. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching.